my god, everyone, take a look at this. This is absolutely amazing. I created all of these AI animated videos with just one click using TopView AI's Canvas model. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can create high-quality AI animated movies with almost no effort. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let me show you a YouTube channel that is making a huge income with this type of content. This channel has already gained over 129,000 subscribers and is earning around $6,000 every month. That's incredible. If we look at its most popular videos, one has reached 7.6 million views, another has crossed 6.1 million views, and many more videos have also gone viral. The best part is that this channel uploads a mix of AI-generated content, including anime-style animations, 2D cartoons, 3D animated stories, and realistic AI videos. This proves one important thing. If AI-generated content can be monetized on YouTube for this channel, then you can also start your own AI animation channel and potentially achieve the same success. Now let's move on to today's main tool, TopView AI. TopView AI is honestly one of the most impressive AI platforms available right now. It comes with several newly released models such as Seedream 5.0 Pro, Happy Horse, Nano Banana 2, Light 3D Shot, Composer, and Gemini Omni Flash. It even includes powerful AI audio tools. However, today's tutorial is focused entirely on one feature, the Canvas AI Agent model. As you can see on your screen, this is the Canvas workspace where all the magic happens. I already have my story prompt prepared, so I'll simply paste it into the prompt box and click the Generate button. The moment I click Generate, the AI immediately starts working. You can already see several built-in options, such as brainstorming a script, cloning a video, creating AI microfilms, designing product advertisements, and much more. For today's tutorial, I'll select AI microfilm because it's perfect for creating cinematic animated stories. Now watch this carefully. After reading my story prompt, the AI first analyzes the entire story and automatically creates a storyboard. Within just a few moments, it generates a complete visual preview of the film. It introduces the main characters, shows the overall visual style, and creates a trailer-like storyboard that represents the story before any videos are generated. And honestly, this happens in just one click. Now I'll continue by selecting the AI microfilm option and ask the AI to generate the complete movie. Before creating the actual scenes, the AI suggests different visual styles. For this project, it has recommended a 3D Pixar-style cartoon animation, and it even provides visual examples so you can easily understand how your final movie will look. Everything is generated automatically. I'll simply click Proceed, and the AI continues the workflow. Now the Canvas agent starts creating all the production assets. First, it generates the main characters, then it creates the environments, including the locations where the story will take place. After that, it generates all the necessary objects and props that will appear throughout the movie. As you can see, everything is organized inside the Canvas workflow. First came the storyboard, then the characters, then the environments, then the objects, and eventually, all of these assets will be transformed into a fully animated movie. After waiting for a short while, everything is ready. The AI has successfully created all of my characters, environments, and story assets automatically. At this point, around half of the production process is already complete. But now comes the most exciting part. Next, I'll ask the AI to generate the movie scenes. After just a few moments, the AI automatically creates 6 complete scenes for the story. Not only that, but it also writes a detailed prompt for every individual scene, ensuring visual consistency throughout the film. Now I'll ask the AI to convert all 6 scenes into animated videos. And just look at this. With one click, the AI immediately starts rendering every single scene into fully animated video clips. Each scene is generated automatically, complete with smooth animations, cinematic camera movements, and consistent characters. At this stage, all we have to do is wait patiently while the AI finishes rendering. A few moments later, look at these results. All 6 animated scenes have now been completed successfully. Our movie is almost finished. Now comes the final production stage. I'll ask the AI to assemble everything into the final timeline. This includes automatically adding background music, sound effects, scene transitions, and organizing every clip into a professional editing timeline. As you can see, the AI has already placed suitable background music underneath every scene, making the entire movie feel much more cinematic. All right, viewers, now it's time to assemble our entire movie. What I'm going to do is select the timeline at the top of the Canvas interface. Then, by clicking the play button, I'll go through each generated scene one by one and add them to the timeline. As you can see, every scene is being added in sequence, allowing me to build a complete animated film exactly the way I want. Once all the scenes are in place, I'll also include the AI-generated background music and audio tracks that were created earlier. This gives the movie a much more cinematic and professional feel. And that's it. Our complete AI movie is now ready. The next step is very simple. I'll just click the export button. As you can see, the export process has now started, and TopView AI is rendering the final version of our movie. Now all we need is a little patience while the AI finishes processing everything. Once the export is complete, I'll show you the final results so you can see exactly how our AI-generated movie turned out. A few moments later, okay, viewers, the video is finally ready. Just look at this result. This is absolutely incredible. I honestly can't believe that I created this entire animated movie using TopView AI's Canvas model with just a few clicks. The whole workflow, from story generation and storyboard creation to character design, environments, scene generation, animation, voiceover, background music, timeline editing, and final export, was completed almost automatically. The best part is that you're not limited to short videos. You can create long-form animated movies, storytelling videos, YouTube episodes, educational content, and much more, all using the same AI-powered workflow. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing. At the moment, TopView AI is offering a 67% discount on its Ultra annual plan, making it one of the most affordable times to get access to all of its premium features. If you're interested in creating professional AI movies like this, I highly recommend taking advantage of this limited-time offer. With the Ultra plan, you'll be able to access the powerful Canvas AI agent, advanced video generation features, and upcoming models such as Seedance 2.5, which is expected to deliver even more impressive AI video quality. That's all for today's tutorial.